Some of my tools are fairly new and some of them are brand new, but I've had these Matco precision trim tools for a long time. As far as I know, they still sell the same style. You see, one of them's a V-shaped notch and one of them's a U-shaped notch. And they both work equally well. I think the U-shaped is probably more practical in most applications. And of course, these are not prying bars. These are very light duty for popping plastic clips and plastic Christmas tree type fasteners out of place. This is a delicate tool for delicate, precise jobs. Yes, they cost $30 a piece, and I know that makes your jaw hit the floor because you can go to Harbor Freight and buy something for $2, but these have served me well for many years, okay?